So this is the Joyoldelf adjustable shower head. It's really durable and high quality. Well, this plastic did crack here, but that's not a problem since it stays there. Doesn't have any of other problems because I've been using this for like a year, half a year to a year, something like that. And it still stays strong. Only this cracked a bit, but that's everything. And yeah, I've been using this because the other original one kept sliding down. So when I was showering, this kept sliding down and it was like very annoying. And this, you can fit it on almost any rail, just like that. And then you can make it very tight, as tight as you want. And it will stay there in place. It's not gonna slide down like this other one. So that's why I got this, and it's like very easy to take out as well, to put in. You don't need any other installations. Yeah, because this is just that, so you can see it has a rubber right here that goes and it comes here and you can put it anywhere. So like I said, it fits most shower heads because this hole right here, it's a standard. It will go just like that there. And if we move it up and we tighten it, and we can still turn it around and it will stay tight here, which is what I love about this. This will always slide down, which I hate it. So it's flexible. It goes around 360. Like I said, very easy to install. It allows you to adjust the shower head as well here, up and down as well. No tools required. It's very convenient. It's lightweight, it's compact, you can even carry it with you if you want. If you're going in somewhere, you know, the shower holder is not very great, you can carry this with you. And the dimensions are 14.5 by 5 by 12.7 centimeters. So it will fit well most shower heads. It weighs about 80 something grams. So it's really lightweight. It's not gonna feel like very weighty on the whole rig. So it can be installed on almost any shower rail. And because of this reason, because it's very tight here and it's not gonna slide compared to the original one, that's why I would recommend one. You should get one if you have any of these problems with your original one, or if the original one broke. So I highly recommend it. I've been having it for like 6 months to a year and it's been really great, and it still is very great.